Hi, Fred here for Tuesday Tent Talks. In this week, we're going to talk about aluminum. There's a lot of different types of aluminum. There's a lot of different shapes of aluminum. Here at Fred's Tents, we carry probably over 25 different shapes and configurations. So we would get this in from a mill, and then we would convert it. And what we mean by convert it would be milling it, bend it, shape it, drill it, put our wood grain on it. We could do powder coating on it. So we would alter the extrusion here by the milling and drilling process. And we're going to take a break here in a little bit, and I'm going to walk you over and show you some of the equipment that we have to do that drilling and milling and bending of the aluminum. So 25 different shapes. Our mills, and we use several different mills to get our extrusions, delivers to us once a week. And so we always have orders coming in and going out, but we're going to take a walk now and look at some of the different extrusions. And before we go, I'm going to show you, these are our new FTKS line. So our 36, 37, and 38 profile, different lengths, different configurations within the frame structure. Some of you may have just seen one of our new books. This is the FT Keeter system. It has every model that we make up to about 120 foot in length, and it gives you the pick sheets for it, illustrations up to 60 foot in length with a different mids configuration. And we're happy to announce that we just got that all through engineering for sidewalls and non-sidewalls on that tent. So we both have both those documents now. But this week we're talking about aluminum, so let's go take a walk, and I want to show you some of the different extrusions that we carry. Like I said, over 25 different extrusions, from threshold to round tube to custom shapes to ketered shapes. So keep us in mind for your aluminum needs. Let's go take a look. All right, so we're here in one of the holding areas where we would receive the aluminum in. This is our overflow stock. This is not the building that we actually mill and do all the fabrication in. It's in another building. We'll walk over to there next. But this particular building is here to hold the overstock and the flow when it comes in, staging it. And so also some of the mills that we work with will hold our aluminum extrusions there for us, and then we can take them in. Like I said, we get our aluminum in once a week. Some of these here are ready and staged to get over to fabrication. This here is our 2-inch frame. We've got some of our FTKS in the back. You can see we've got a building here ready to go out, which is our BFS, which is our galvanized tent structure. And then if you turn over this way, our maple leaf pipe, and then we come through our center pole heights. This is some that we're getting ready to put some wood grain on. So we've got a lot of aluminum. Our Q tube over here, more of our FTKS, more FTKS pipe over here. There's 3 different extrusions in that line, so we have all of them in ready to be built or fabricated. More center pole poles. So a lot of aluminum here. And then this area that we're going down through next will show you the area that we're staging the stuff, getting ready to ship out. So this 2-inch on our right is getting ready to get staged and going out for an order. And then when we go into the next building, I'll have them speed up right here. We're going to walk, the overall length of the building is about 800 foot long. So we'll walk over to the other side, and I'll show you where we fabricate it. Okay, we're coming into the manufacturing spot. This is where we're going to do all the laser cutting of the fittings, the welding station, the bending stations. Come on with us. We got to click some lights on, and all our cables that we'll build are over here on our left. Our bending machine is over here on the right, and then we have more stock here on our shelves ready to go. One of the unique things that we do is when we pull an order, it goes onto a cart. We designed a cart that we pull the order, that pipe goes on that cart, and it never leaves that cart until it meets the tractor trailer at the dock. So I'll show you one of those carts. They're over here. So we used to put everything on sawhorses, so putting them on these carts, and then we have some other ones in the back that stack up. So once we pull your order, it goes on that cart, it stays, and then it mirrors up on the next building over and mirrors up with the fabric. This Imagey over here is another machine that we do. This is the one that does all the center poles, all the milling, the routing. Think of us next time for aluminum when you need something. We're very competitive in pricing on the aluminum, especially our 2-inch, our center poles, side poles, and all our aluminum extrusions. So Fred for Tuesday Tent Talk, if you have a topic you'd like to talk about next time, email us at ttt@wemaketents.com. I'll see you next Tuesday for Tuesday Tent Talk.